Hello, Mac here, and this is another Funko Pop unboxing and review, and this time it's the Funko Pop Basketball NBA Memphis Grizzlies Morant. This is from the newly released line of NBA Funko Pops from their 75th anniversary and the City Edition jerseys. Let's take this Funko Pop out of its protector and out of its box. First, let's talk about the box. So, the box art here, I really love the box art. So, the streaks of red and green on his hair is also in the box art, just like in the Funko Pop. So, here's the side, the 75th anniversary logo. Also at the back, here are the Funko Pops that are released along with this one. So I have the LeBron James. So I'm still waiting for the Russell Westbrook because I'm a Lakers fan. I'm a bandwagon. Here's the side. Here's the top. And here are the licensing, the information about the Funko. So yeah. Now, let's unbox this Funko Pop. This Funko Pop comes with a stand, although he can stand on his own. So yeah, here's his stand. So just to be safe, let's put Morant on his stand. Now, without further ado, let's start the review. But before all of that, kindly subscribe to my channel for toys, sneakers, and video game contents. Also, hit that notification bell for you to be updated on my latest vlogs. Now, let's start from top to bottom. So, the best detail about this Funko Pop is the hair. As you can see, I really love the details of this hair, the texture of it, even the colors, red and green at the front of his hair. It's very accurate to the hair that Morant is rocking right now. Also, the eyebrow. As you can see, I'm gonna focus on it. The cuts on his eyebrow is being represented accurately from Morant himself. The goatee and his mustache is accurately represented also. Well, aside from the hair, the eyebrow cut, the face, and the jersey, it's pretty much the same with all of the NBA Funko Pops. The pose is generic. So, I wish that Funko will release an NBA Funko Pop that has different poses, just like the anime line of Funko Pops. They have different poses, so I wish that they do it on the NBA Funko Pops too. I mean, if they release a LeBron James Funko Pop again, I wish they post it on his silencer celebration or Steph Curry wherein he is pointing to the sky. So yeah, I think it will be a great Funko Pop if they release some of it. Since the pose and the other things are the same with the NBA or the other released NBA Funko Pops, so I'm just gonna put Morant on the rotating display disc in order for you to see it more clearly. Well, that's it for this unboxing, quick unboxing and review of Funko Pop Basketball NBA Memphis Grizzlies, more specifically of Morant. So I think I will also get James Harden because I think it has a nice details on the hair and his beard. Also, I'm waiting for the release of Russell Westbrook, so stay tuned for my review of those Funko Pops also. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for toys, sneakers, and video game contents. Play those video games, collect toys, sneakers, and good memories. Thank you!